Using reflections to see what I do is critical. In most cases when I'm outside, I usually use a reflection board. This board is the main key factor that acts as a guide of what I need to look for while indicating where my tool placement is. But in critical times, when I really need to see clarity and in low light, I use a light board. My go-to light board for the run and gun is the Elim-A-Dent LED light. It offers everything I need to accommodate my personal preference. With the options of having independent switches, I can have an array of different light combinations which make my job easier on numerous colored vehicles. There's also a convenient slot in the frame for me to swap out any lens I choose. This matters to me because I use a diversity of lens covers. This saves me lots of time during my repairs without having to disassemble the back plate. With 3 different common battery setups to choose from, like the Makita, DeWalt, or Milwaukee, it made it quite convenient that I could just use the same batteries from my already owned power tools. This light offers a quick power on and off switch to maintain my settings, even when I change out the battery. Not to mention, there is 2 dimmer buttons that allow me to gradually turn the light up or down by just holding in the brighter or dim button. Or I can click and let go and the light will dim down or up in steps. Also, there are 2 different suction cup mounts to choose from. I personally prefer the wood suction cup, but in your taste it may vary. Another cool benefit is the spinal cord that you can set the tension on how you like by adjusting the tension screws, which actually help keep your light as stable or as loose as you desire. There's also a neoprene sleeve that you can use to ensure your spinal cord stays clean and prevents any scratching against panels. All in all, this light is built to last, rugged but also elegant. The thought and details behind the engineering is well thought out, and I'm sure any PDR tech who purchases it will most likely agree and think the same. You can purchase the Elim-A-Dent light in the 20-inch and 14-inch versions at elimadenttools.com.